Hi student, today I am going to discuss the last transformation technique in the 2D. So that is 2D sharing. So what the sharing is nothing but, so the sharing is taking the two concepts, the sharing in x-axis and sharing in y-axis. Now what the exactly the 2D sharing, it is one of the technique to change the shape of an object in a two-dimensional plane. So in the previous four concepts, so whatever the techniques we are going to be applied, whether it is a translation, whether it is a rotation, whether it is an reflection, whether it is an scaling, whatever the four techniques we are taking, so the object may not be changed, the positions may be exactly here. So to change the shape of the particular, that means the shape is taken in the x-axis is different from the shape in the y-axis. This is the important techniques in the two-dimensional plane. So what the sharing is nothing but, so shearing is an technique, so to change the shape of an existing object in a two-dimensional plane. So the versions, there are two versions of sharing is nothing but, so the sharing in x-axis and sharing in y-axis. Now you have to be considered the initial coordinates. So this is a similar way of the previous one, but here only the change here, the shearing parameter towards the x-axis is given, the shearing parameters towards the y-axis is given with the notations of the SHX, x is the suffix one, SHX and SHY. SHX denotes the shearing parameter towards the x-axis, SHY is denotes the towards the sharing parameters towards the y direction. Now we are going to consider a object, so that is the a default object in the 2D plane, that is the O. So the initial coordinates are given, that is an x world and the y world. Now applying the after sharing concept towards the x-axis or the y-axis, so the new coordinates are derived, that is O equals to x nu and y nu. This is the similar of the previous one. Now we are going to take the sharing in x-axis. What the concept of the sharing in x-axis? A standard equations are provided here. The sharing in x-axis is achieved by using the following equation. So when we find the x nu value, so this is observed, you can take the sharing in x-axis. So we have to be taken the transaction on x-axis only. So when we go through the sharing in x-axis, the y-axis is an ideal. So when we are going to take the transactions on the y-axis, the x-axis is the ideal. Now sharing in x-axis is nothing but x nu equals to, how can we find the new coordinate of the x value, that is x nu equals to x world plus SHX into y world. You can observe, so this is x world into x world is already we know that SHX is nothing but sharing on x-axis into y world, already we know that. We will find the x nu value. And similarly the y nu doesn't change the value, because I already said if the transaction or the sharing is on x-axis, the y-axis is the ideal one. That's why y nu equals to y world. Similarly, you have to write the a matrix notation order. So for the sharing on x-axis, for the homogeneous equations or the matrix equations, so we can get the matrix notations like this. So coming to the sharing in y-axis. So what the concept of this particular sharing, when we apply the transactions takes place on the y-axis, the x is the ideal. That's why the x nu equals to x world value and y nu equals to y world plus SHY into x world value. This is the reverse order. When we find the x nu value, we take the y world value. When we find the x nu value, we take the x world value. So similarly we can find the matrix notation, that is an x nu and y nu. So where it is a 1 0 SHY and 1 into x world value and y world value. So when we write this particular matrix notation for the homogeneous 3 by 3 matrix order also, so we have to find like this. So x nu y nu 1 and 1 SHY 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1, this is on y axis. So sharing on y axis, that's why here you can observe the parameter of the y is taken, that is SHY. Okay, here we can continue this particular problem. We can continue this concept with the one of the example problem. So here the object is given, a triangle object is given. What the triangle object contains the three coordinates, that is a coordinate 1 1 and b coordinate 0 0 and c coordinate 1 comma 0. So now we have to take the a corner coordinates, that is given. So the next given values are the sharing on the parameter 2 on x axis, that is sh(x) equals to 2. So in the problem also given shy equals to 2, that is also sharing on towards the y axis. Now we have to find the new coordinates sharing on x axis. So differently we can find sharing on x axis and sharing on y axis. So we know the concept of this particular sharing is the object which is after applying the sharing x axis is the different compared to the y axis. Now we are going to observe that. So sharing in x axis in the sense for coordinate a of 1 comma 1. So we have to find each and every coordinate the sharing axis. So for coordinate a of 1 1, x new and y new value, for the given equation we can substitute all the value. Then we can derive x new equals to x world plus sh(x) into y world. The final value equals to 3. So the y value doesn't change for each and every value because of we are operating the sharing concept on x axis only. So the y axis is the ideal. So similarly we can find the for coordinate b 0 0. So we get the new coordinates of the x new and y new, where x new and y new equals to 0 here because of the coordinates are the 0 0. That's why the new coordinates are also 0 0. And coming to the for coordinate c comma 1, c of 1 comma 1, for finding the x new and y new coordinates, where x new equals to derived 1 and y new doesn't change, that is the 0 value. So we have to find the coordinates, all the coordinates for ABC on x axis. Now we are going to take the particular diagram. You can observe, similarly we can find the sharing on y axis. So after sharing in x axis, the new coordinates are like this. Now what the here, this is the new coordinate sharing on x axis, this is the new object which is created on x axis. After sharing in x axis, new object is created, so which is sharing on y axis. So you can observe these two are different objects. Now when we applying the sharing on x axis, the object may be the different, the sharing on y axis even though the object may be different. So this is a concept. So now in the top of this one, it is a standard object which for the given coordinates, initial coordinates of the object is like this. So when we apply the sharing on x axis, the object may be derived. This one is the different one and this one is the different one. That's why the sharing is nothing but which can change the shape of the object. So finally, in the total transformation techniques on 2D, so all the transformation techniques we can observe. So some of the transactions will be taken place. So what the transactions here, whatever the action we can perform on that particular object. So in generally we can identify the computer graphics. The computer graphics is used to create and manipulate the object. Now we are going to take the manipulation part in the computer graphics, okay, because of the manipulations are taken place which can be store the object, which can be modify the object, and which can be presented the object in the different manner. So in the 2D transformation, so the transformation is a technique we already observed in the starting of this 2D transformation video. So the first one, the translation is the process or the technique to take the two identifications. One is the to modify that particular image, and second one to repositioning of the object, repositioning. So we can change the position, we can change the shape, and whatever it is, which can be depends on these 5 transformation techniques. First technique of the 2D transformation is the translation, and second one is the rotation, and third one is the scaling, and fourth one is the reflection, and the last one is the sharing. So these 5 techniques are used to enhance the object, to modify the object in the different shape or the different locations. So this is the transformation techniques of the sharing.